If you have to pay someone to do this, you are going to be so broke. Save your truck so you're not the guy embarrassing everyone in the McDonald's drive-thru.
Sounds like the person behind me's problem.
Welcome back to KC Turbos. I'm here at the diesel shop with my buddy Thomas, and we're installing the CSC O-ring delete kit. Basically, O-ringless standpipes for your 6-liter. We're going to show you guys how to install them. Should be pretty easy. So this is it, huh? This is all you need to do.
Oh, there's something I forget.
6-liter life top tip. Go to Harbor Freight, Icon, Bit Set. This is really nice. Super tiny, pass through, comes with an extension to extend the reach, the leverage on this little ratchet. Don't use these bits to do your 6-liter. Go get some whatevers at Home Depot that don't have a hole in them.
We're gonna pull the coolant reservoir, the intake, and the pickup.
Easy. Fords never break down. That's why we're a Ford shop. Didn't realize it all went into the engine bay.
Everything goes in the engine bay eventually.
You're gonna break it. Oh my God.
The elbow right there.
Eyepiece.
Yeah, who doesn't like it tight?
Get it right.
I like my gloves like I like my pants.
Burning ring of fire. As I put that on. Well, I dropped that.
Time for Velcro bolts. We've had people ask us to do 4-wheel drive conversions on their 2-wheel drive 7.3. I'm like, you don't want to pay for that. We'll do anything for money.
Yeah. Wow, that was so easy. Look at you. You're such a professional.
I know, first time.
Such a fantastic mechanic.
I'll never forget bolts. Do it right hand right here.
Oh, yeah.
And you can get a 12 flex head over there.
Go to Harbor Freight, Icon, Bit Set. But downer. Oh, look at that. Look how easy that is. You guys see that, guys? Come on. How you make this? You weren't kidding.
Revision C.
There you go. See?
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 See? That's alright. They're good. They're nice. Huh? They're good.
All right, now let's get to cleaning. We're gonna brake clean everything out.
You see how crispy and burnt off the top section of that O-ring is? That'll cause your hot start issues, guys. Save your truck so you're not the guy embarrassing everyone in the McDonald's drive-thru.
Sounds like the person behind me's problem.
This is a nylon brush, right?
Yeah.
Looks great. Here it is.
Ooh, pretty.
That's the dummy plug side.
Doesn't matter which these go in. You just want to make sure.
The other one's the opposite.
Yeah. So we'll start with the driver's side, which will have this. Let's see where it sits. So we can see the sealing surface.
Yeah, so it's
Right above the tapered piece.
yeah. A little rub and tug. Yeah, and then just don't get it on the tip because that's got to still go into the lower.
Click, click.
There you go, one down.
Complete and total coverage. Sure there's no excess. It looks nice and clean in there. Let it sit for 24 hours upside down.
Yep. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So by getting the CSC kit, as shown here, it eliminates this O-ring with a machine tolerance fit so that your standpipes will seal without an O-ring like that. And then, yeah, while we had it apart, we also did the all these end plugs over here, and then we're doing the fancy nipples. Perfect. Oh, look at that. Dude, we're gonna get roasted on the internet because we're not using the proper O-ring lubricant.
It's literally petroleum jelly.
It's not the right one according to the internet, dude. You guys are all wrong.
We need to line up the injectors.
Yes, yeah.
And then we're gonna flop it down onto the standpipe and make sure it snaps in nicely. Be hard to see from your side.
Yeah, line up your injectors and then roll it into the lower is what he
There you
said.
go. I don't know if you caught that or not. It's kind of,
Feels like it's kind of in there.
yeah, you can see the, so you can push it down and the bolts are bottomed out without having to do anything. That's how it should be good.
There's the ramp. Clean your holes, people. Nobody likes a dirty hole.
I like that long rod.
It won't touch the sidewalls, but it'll bottom out.
There's one stud in the very back top, one stud in the very back bottom.
Here it is. With the belt disconnected. I got a little squeaker in there. Uh-oh. I guess it's engine time.